Hi, today I'll be working on my 94 Toyota Celica, and today I'll be installing this front lip. This front lip is actually from a sc300. So I know that these Toyota here, they look good, but they don't have any other market support. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this fit. So I already measured and pre-drilled the holes on this front lip. So I'm just gonna go ahead and align them up and then just screw them up into the front bumper. Alright, so sit back and enjoy the video. Alright, so that's going to be it for my video. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.